2009 onwards, Ryan Dahl. Ryan Dahl. Ryan Dahl. Ryan Dahl, right? No, Ryan Dahl. Ryan, yeah, Ryan Dahl. Dahl. Yeah, Ryan Dahl. He is a software developer from 2009 onwards. He taken the engine, browser engine, engine outside the yeah, he's taken the browser engine outside the browser and built one programming language called language called Node.js. Okay, Node.js. With the help of Node.js, we can see the output in a command prompt itself. Okay, he only taken the Node.js outside the browser, and we can access the value here itself. In command prompt itself, we can access. Okay, in command prompt itself, we can access the value. Okay, how to do that one means, go to browser, type Node.js. Go to browser and type Node.js. Okay, go to browser, type Node.js. Everyone enter this website. Yes, respond. Said yes. Yeah, click this. Sir, you have to write in notes.txt. You have to write that on. Yeah, I know that. Later I'll do it. Okay? Later I'll do it. We can output in Visual Studio Code. Yeah, we can do it. Wait, Vinod. Okay? Let me first clarify that doubt. Then I'll tell you. Okay? Some people are not able to view the output. For that purpose, I'm giving this as the additional. Actually, this is only for Munstack. But why I'm teaching this to you means this will be helpful for you. Okay, if you don't want means leave it. No problem. Go to the subject page. Everyone went to this website. Click this 14.7.2 LTS version. Okay, click this one. Okay, click this version. And LTS stands for long-term support version. Abhishek Kumar, nothing. Just go to this website. Go to this website called Node.js. Okay, go to this website called Node.js. Just type Node.js in Google Chrome and go to this website called Node.js. Click this. After went to this website, download this one. Okay, download this one, LTS version. Download this one. Sir, why you are downloading LTS means LTS stands for long-term support. One-time installation, it will support for your lifetime. Long-term support. Long-term. Guys, I'm not having writing pad, so that's why. Long-term support. And I'm not having writing pad, that's why. So, okay, long-term support. LTS stands for what? Long-term support. So based on the version, it will update. Okay, guys. So for 32-bit also it will work. Okay, 32-bit also it will work. Here other download is there, right? Click this one. Here you'll be getting bits. Which bit you want, you can download. For Windows, for Mac, for Solaris, and then for Linux also there will be having. Okay, understood? Huh? If you are here means there will be other download option will be there. Okay, click this one. It will redirect to the bit page. You are having 32-bit means, so based on the bit download. Okay, download this MSI. Don't download zip file. Download MSI. Okay, understood? Huh? Understood? Those who are having 32-bit. Okay. After downloading this, open the folder where you have downloaded. Go to download page. Where is the downloaded? Programs. Here you will be having Node.js 14 point something, 14.7, 17.2 or 1. Like that you are having a. Like that you are having a. Double click this and install this one. Install this one. Okay, install this one. I already installed this one. So just click next, 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 and then install. Okay, click next, 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 and install. Just click next, 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 next. Don't modify anything. Just next, 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 and install it. Everyone installed up. Okay. Rajesh asked MSI stands for. MSI stands for medium scale integration. Medium scale integration. Installed it. Yes, installed it. Everyone installed up. All installed this one, Node.js. Now, if you want to take time to install, okay, let it be. Once it is installed, do one thing. I don't want to view the output in a browser, sir. I want to view the output in command prompt, like same like Java. Okay, you have to use node space. What is the file name? App.js. This is my file name. Type node space app.js. Okay. Once you are giving like this, you should be always in the path of the folder. JavaScript is the my folder name. That path you have to be. Then you have to specify node and app.js. After that, press enter. You'll be getting Shubham, Venkat, and Food. But sir, I don't want command prompt, sir. I want to view the output here itself. I want to see the output here itself. Go to view, click terminal, and type node. Here, type node, and then app.js. That's it. I got Shubham, Venkat, and then understood. You guys understood. You understood this one, this concept of Node.js. Okay, even though they are asking me to teach only the browser way, you people are from Java background, I'm teaching this Munstack way also. So can you please show the Node.js in PMD? Yeah, take down. Sir, please repeat, sir. Sagar, I won't. Okay, this is for one time. I won't repeat this Node.js process again. I told you this is for only Munstack people. But even though I repeated once again, I can't repeat again. Okay. Everything done? Shall we move on to next part? That let keyword variable, why it is, what is the differences? Yes. Oh. Okay, right. Next will be, see, this is the next. First will be what? This one. Let me take this one and cut this to here. And let me paste this one here. About this, note. Okay, next. Okay. Where keyword difference is what? Okay, it is a global scope. Yeah, it is a global scope. It is a global scope. We can reassign the values. We can redeclare the variables. Yeah, redeclare the variable. Yeah, we can redeclare the variables. Yeah. Now let keyword. In Visual Studio Code, there is no go to terminal feature. No, actually, go to view. There will be terminal option will be there. Okay, go to view and terminal. Then it will open the terminal. Okay, Sainbira, is it clear? Okay, guys. Now let keyword. This is the example part. Okay, this is the example part. Variable keyword. Yes, these all are example for variable var keyword. Okay, example. Example. Yeah, let keyword. Let a equal to what should I give? So redeclare means the same name again you are using. We can, sir, in Java execution starts from main method. Is there any main method in JS? No, there is no main method. There is no, see, Java is having certain rules, but JavaScript is not like Java. Okay, JavaScript will be two different. Yeah, in console also we can see, node also we can see. Okay. Now let me take okay. Let keyword. Now what I'm going to do means a equal to money. Now what it will print? Now what it will print? Subject money. Let me check. You terminal node app dot say it is printing money. Why it is printing money? We can redeclare. Okay, we can sorry, we can reassign. We can reassign. Okay, we can reassign. Okay, we can reassign. But what I'm going to do means, yeah, mm, let a equal to money. Now is it possible? Now what should print? If we will write print statement in second line, then what is going to happen now? Again money, yeah? Let me check. Oh, now it is throwing error. Now it is throwing error. Identifier error already has been declared. Already has been declared. I'm getting error. But if I use var a equal to money, var a equal to something like oh, yeah, like this. Log a. Here let me give a1 and a2. Okay, a1 and a2. Now let me check. Okay. Now here I got undefined. Here I got Sahu. Here I got undefined. Here I got Sahu. Why? What is the difference? Here I got undefined. Here I got Sahu. No. Yeah. Now I got both the values. Yeah. Tausif Khan I got. Sahu I got. Okay. What is the problem? What is the problem here? What is the problem here? Variable duplication in case of let. No, not like that. See, variable keyword, we can reassign the value, but reassign the value, but we can't declare a value. Okay, we can't redeclare a value. Redeclare a value. Okay, redeclare the value. Okay, value. Redeclaration means with the help of let keyword, you have to use a1 means it should print what it should print. See, what it should print. It is getting identifier error. It is getting what? Identifier error. Sir, why sir it is getting identifier error? See, here also I got a1 has already been declared. Okay, a1 has been already declared. I got a error. Identifier error. Why identifier error? Because a1 is already declared. We cannot redeclare the value. Understood? Because of let keyword, we cannot redeclare the value, but we can reassign the value. Okay, we can reassign the value. Reassign means what? Without keyword. It will work. Now it will work. See, I got money and stuff. Understood? Without variable keyword, without declaring the keyword, it should work properly. We can reassign. But declaring the keyword with keyword, it will print the error. The identifier error. Understood? With the keyword, it should not be declared. Okay? Without keyword, it should be reassigned. Understood? Everyone understood this concept? Everyone understood this one? Any doubt? The type of let a1, what will be the output on console? It should be string. Okay? It should be string. And one more thing. Yes, we can reassign also. We can redeclare also. With the help of keyword. We can redeclare also. Here also we can redeclare. Okay? And for reassigning, and then redeclaring, redeclaring, declaring, yeah, redeclaring. This is reassigning, this is redeclaring. This is what? Let me give. This is the example. Reassigning. Yes, reassign. And let keyword. It is a local scope. It is a local scope. Yes, it is a local scope. So when we use let only, now I got the value. So either undefined. Sir. Wait, I'll tell you, Sainbira, I'll tell you why I got undefined, I'll tell you. Okay, there is one more concept behind that undefined. Okay, I'll tell you. And here, second point is we can reassign the value. Reassign the value. We can reassign the value. Okay. We can't. We cannot redeclare the value. Redeclare the value. Okay. Redeclare the values. Okay. If we redeclare with keyword. Okay, if we redeclare with the keyword, we will be getting identifier error. Okay, identifier error. Okay, this is the example. Okay, I'll give the example also. This is the example. This is for reassigning example. Okay. The difference between reassigning and redeclaring. You want Mahendra Reddy. See, reassigning means a variable where keyword I'm using a Mahendra. Yeah. Yeah. Now see here A. Now we know. Okay, we know. This is called reassigning. Now, okay, let me call reassigning. Okay, reassigning and copy this instead of A. Let me call reassigning. Easily you can able to understand. Yeah, you can easily understand. This is called reassigning. Okay, this is called reassigning. This is called what? Reassigning. Vinod, I got Vinod. Why it is telling this? Okay, I got Vinod. This is called reassigning. Redeclaring means where redeclare. Okay, where redeclare equal to whose name should I give? To me. Okay, to me. Sir, how to run code in code. Okay, and then where redeclare. Okay, where redeclare equal to. Okay, yes, love. Okay, redeclare. called redeclare. Okay, this is called redeclare. I got cyan now. Okay, but in case of let keyword, what is going to happen? See, okay, in case of let keyword, if I redeclare, what is going to happen? See, let keyword, let, and then here also I am using let keyword. Okay, I am redeclaring. This is called redeclaring, right? Got identifier here. Understood? Understood? Everyone understood redeclaring? Redeclaring understood? With the help of keyword. With the help of keyword, it is not working. But if you remove this, if you reassign this value, now reassign this value. Copy this, paste here. Now instead of let var keyword, let me give let keyword. Yes, give let keyword log reassigning. Yes, both I will be commenting this one. I will be commenting. Okay. Now check. Okay, because here also I have used that one, right? Here also I declared. That's it. Yeah. Now it is working perfectly. Understood? Now understood? This is called reassigning. This is called what? Reassigning. Reassigning, it is working properly. If you give one keyword here, this is called, with the help of keyword, we are declaring. With the help of keyword, we are declaring. That's it. We are declaring the value to the variable. Now everyone got clear? Identifier error. Because I declared with one keyword. This is called declaration. This is called assignment. Understood? Everyone understood? Guys, keep keenly, that means everything you have to watch keenly. Most of the people are little bit getting confusion between the declaration and assignment. Declaration means with the help of keyword, you are declaring the variable, means that is variable declaration. And without the keyword, if you are giving the value to the variable, that is called variable assignment. Understood? Everyone cleared? Cleared, right? Okay. If you are having doubt, again you can ask. This is the most important topic, guys. If you are not knowing this concept, JavaScript is not possible for you. Okay? JavaScript is not possible for you. Okay? This is called reassigning and redeclaring. If you want, I'll give the example for you. Somewhere I'll give the, yes, let me copy this. Let me paste variable, assigning and declaring. A variable assigning and declaring. This is the example. And give the definition also. With the help of keyword, assigning the values to the variable is called variable declaration. Yeah, variable declaration. Okay. Without keyword, assigning the values to the variable is called variable assigning. Understood? Sir, in case of declaring var, it is working, but in case of let, it is throwing error. Why? Because let is a block scope. Okay? By syntax, they have created like this. By syntax. Because var is also doing the same process and let is also doing the same process, means what is the difference between those things? That is what I have given the differences. See here, difference between var and let. Okay? Var and let. Where we can, it is a global scope, we can reassign the value, we can redeclare the values. It is a local scope. We can reassign the values. We cannot redeclare the values. Okay. And one more thing. Now got it up. Okay. Next will be const. Const keyword. Okay. Const keyword. It is a local scope. It is a local scope. Local scope. Okay. Local scope. With the help of this, what we can do? See. Const. Const a equal to money log a. What I will get? What I'll get? I'll get my name. I'll get my name. If I'll declare this const keyword a equal to c1, okay, like this. Now what I will get? I'll get the identifier error. I'll get the identifier error because we cannot redeclare this and we cannot reassign this one also. Okay, we cannot reassign this one also. See, assignment to const variable. This is the difference. This is the difference. We cannot redeclare and we cannot reassign. We cannot redeclare and we cannot reassign. Okay, it will be constant. Variable will be constant. Okay, understood? No, not just like let keyword. Let keyword will reassign the value, but it will not reassign the value also. See, it is reassigning the value. It is reassigning the value. In case of let keyword, it will work. See, in case of let keyword, I'll get the G1 output. Okay. In case of let keyword, I'll be getting G1 as my output. But in case of const keyword, we'll be not getting a single output. We'll be getting error. Okay, I got assignment to constant variable. Understood? We cannot redeclare and we cannot reassign. Okay. In case of const keyword will be always constant. We cannot redeclare and we cannot reassign. Understood? It will be not reassign. We cannot reassign the values. We cannot reassign the values and we cannot redeclare the values. Okay, redeclare the values. The variable should be the variable values should be constant. Okay, variable value should be constant. Okay, like static keyword. Yeah, it is a static keyword like that. Okay, take down this guy. Okay, what is this? Yeah, like that. And example. Let me give the example also. Example. Yeah, example. What should I give? This is the example. Copy this. And const equal to something like control for log. Okay. One. Okay. Yeah. And output should be Prana. Okay, and here output should be what? Output should be what? This is the output. Okay, this is the output. Understood? This is the output. So please send today's notes in WhatsApp. Okay, Vignesh. Okay, guys. Now you understood, right? The variable concept. The most important concept, guys. Without variable declaration, we cannot. So please use terminal, sir. Why, Sayanbira? This one easily understandable. Terminal way. Go to view and click the terminal. Here, you'll be getting the error and catch error. Yeah, and catch error. And one more thing, guys. One more thing. Some people will confuse you like this. Some people will confuse you like this. Here you are declaring here a equal to money. Yeah, log. Now what is going to happen? Now what is going to happen? Money it will print no, no. Let's see what is going to happen. See, I got again error. Again error. Missing initializer in the constant declaration. Okay, missing initializer in the constant declaration. Where you are declaring, there only you have to initialize. Otherwise, it will print the error. Otherwise, it will print the error. If you want to check, you can check the browser also. See, missing initializer in the const declaration. Most important question. Most important question. Most of the interview, they will confuse you with this. Okay? In const keyword, by syntax, they have created like this. Where you are declaring, there only you have to initialize. Okay, there only you have to initialize. Otherwise, it will be throwing the error called missing initializer in the const declaration. Understood? Yeah, where you are declaring, there only you have to initialize. Otherwise, you'll be getting missing initializer in the const declaration. This is the output you will be getting. Okay? This one also. The most important question. Very, 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 very important question, guys. Yeah? Output will be syntax error. Yeah, it should be what? Syntax error. Output. Syntax error. Okay? But in let we can do. We can do like this. Okay, we can reinitialize. It is called reinitialization only, right? So in let and where it is possible. Can use let. Now check. Now you can check. Yes. I got money. In let and where we can do. But in const only, it will be having this difference. This much difference. Okay? This much difference. Oh, where I wrote. Okay. Understood? Guys, if you are understanding this concept, then only it is possible to work with all the variables. All the variables. Okay? Yeah, almost we have done. Almost have done all the exercise. All the exercise of const. Yeah, take down guys. Take down this. Till from starting to end. Okay? From here to here. From node to from 83rd line to 83rd line to 101. Take down this. Let where const 3 variables are. Yeah, only 3 variables. There is no other variable is there. Only 3 variables are there till now. Yeah, some people are there in WhatsApp, some people are not there in WhatsApp. That's why. Yeah. Take down this one also. Till 120. Done. Till 120 done. from 121 to this 144. Take them. So where can we act like all data types? Not data types. Where is a keyword which will be used to declare a variable. Okay, what is meant by variable? Which can hold the data, right? That is what it is doing. Okay, this keyword is holding the data. It should be any type of data. Object also it can hold. Uh, Function also it can hold. Lot of things. Okay, in Java there will be static typing. Here it will be loosely typed. That is what I said in the beginning. It is a loosely typed language. Okay, why it is loosely typed? Because with the help of keyword, it will accept all the data types. Primitive data type also, non-primitive data type also. Okay. The let and const keyword is having integer and double values. Not like that, Sagar. Actually, that is what I said. That is what I said. That using that var keyword, const keyword, and let keyword, we can declare all type of data types. The teaching style is so good. I from mechanical, but I understood all things just like this. Yeah, that is what even everyone should understand this. Okay, everyone should understand this concept. That is what my major thing. Even no one is explaining this much level, guys. JavaScript means they will be going with their flow. Okay, but I'll be teaching entire stuff like Shishira sir. My guru will be Shishira sir. Shashi sir at Shishira sir. Okay, I'm following that. Okay, guys, take down this. Okay, till 49, till 149. Take down. Then we'll move on to how to give the user input using JavaScript. Done. Till 149 done. Shall we move on to next question? Yes. Okay. Next question is how to give user input using JS. In Java, you are having scanner class, right? Am I right? In scanner class, you are getting the input and giving the input. Okay. So the same way, here we are having the prompt method, the most important method, guys. In JavaScript, there is no other alternate way is there. There is only one way is there. Okay? Yeah, in collection, that will be in collection part, but general term is using that class called scanner class only, right? Imroz Khan. Buffer reader will be in the collection part only you are reading, right? But here, okay, var name equal to let me call prompt method. Prompt method. Okay, prompt method call like this is JS. Yeah, this is JS. Yeah, I got this is JS. Here we are having input field. Here we are having input field. Did I console.log? Did I did any console.log? No, right? Even though I'm getting like this. Now you can do money. But where it is printing? Because we are not even printed any value. Now give log name. That's it. Call the name. That's it. Money. Click OK. I got a money value. We can give the dynamic user input. Okay. We can give dynamic user input. This is JS class. Everyone is learning good things. Good things. Yes, everyone is updating their skill. Updating their skill. Okay, like that. This is JS class. Everyone is updating their skill. Now, if I'll click OK, I'm getting the output here. This is JS class. Everyone is updating their skill. Understood? This one understood? If it should be empty, we no need this keyword also. It will give one box. That's it. Yeah, I'm getting one empty box. I'm getting one empty box. Okay. After giving the value only, it will stop the reloading. After giving the, this is the bug, guys. This is one more bug in JavaScript. That is, this will stop the execution of the browser. Okay, it will stop the browser execution until or unless we are giving any value here. It should not render the value inside the web page. This is one more bug. Okay, this is money I'm teaching JS. This is the HTML code, right? But it is prevented by that prompt method. It is prevented by that prompt method. Even though it is loading, right? Whenever I'm giving the value, I'll press enter, then only it is working. Then only it is working. Otherwise, it is not working. Yeah, this is called overriding. This is also a bug. This is also a bug in JavaScript. This is also a bug in JavaScript. Okay, if you click cancel, you'll be getting null value. Why null? Because the value should be empty. Even though if you are giving value, if you click cancel, you'll be getting null. This is also a bug. This is also a bug. Because while giving the cancel, all the value, whatever the value, it is erasing and it should be empty. The field should be empty. So if you click you cancel, it will be giving null value. Null means empty. Empty. I got zero value. I got zero value. If you click cancel, you'll be getting the value called what? You will be getting the value called what? Null. Understood? Null means what? Empty value. Empty value. It is giving the message called empty. Understood? This one understood? Prompt method understood? If you don't understood this prompt method, what is the need of prompt method? With the help of prompt method, we can give the user value, user input, and the same way, if we click OK, we'll be getting that value. Now it will be empty value. But if you click cancel, it will give null data. Okay, if you provide the value, it will print the value. Otherwise, it will, if you cancel the value, will be getting null. Null means what? Empty. Understood? Understood? What is the need of prompt method? With the help of prompt method, we can give the values in text field, text box. Okay, we can give the value in the text box. Like this. Okay, fine. Let it be. Okay, we can give the values in the text box. Okay, let me comment this. Yes, okay, comment this. Yes, with the help of prompt method, we can give the values in the text box and dynamically we can update the values. We can update the values. Okay, dynamically we can update the values, and then if we click OK button, we will be getting the text field value, text box value, text box user entered value, entered value. Okay, if we click cancel button, we will we will be getting the null value. Okay, means empty value. Empty. Okay, box will be empty. Means empty. So when you show undefined or null, sir, is there any other way to read the user input? No, Sagar, there is no other way. Sagar Patel, there is no other way. Because in hacker rank test, it won't take prompt as user input. So in this JS case sensitive. No, JS is not case sensitive, but some case it will be case sensitive. So can we use alert method? Yeah, you can use alert method. Alert method is just to give a warning message. That is not for taking the user value, and there is no other way for printing the value. Yes, there is that, but still it is not resolved. Yeah, given data, it is not resolved, but there is one more way is that to take the user input, we are having HTML. Okay, we are having HTML. We can connect the JavaScript to the HTML, and we can do it. Okay, with the help of JavaScript, it is not possible. So why are we linking JS to HTML? Can't we simply run it like Java without using HTML? And can't we directly write output in screen where HTML output is coming? No, actually, it is a combination, Saurav. Actually, it is a combination. So there is no other alternative. You have to connect. Okay, you have to connect. There is no other way. Okay, wow. Yeah, I'll tell you, Ravi Mishra. Inner HTML. I'll tell you. Okay. The good way of printing the value, I'll tell you. And rules of is this JS case sensitive? No, Pranav. JS is not case sensitive. Okay, some cases, some values, if you are writing, that it will be case sensitive. Entire JS is not case sensitive. Some places, if you want to declare some name of the method, or if you want to declare value, it should be. So in case where we can also use letter. We know that actually where keyword where we are using means in a global scope. Okay, when we need global scope, there we are using where keyword. If we want to redeclare or reassign, we can use global scope of where keyword. Sometimes global conflicting will happen. I want to only view the function scope. I want to access the function scope means you can use let keyword. Okay, what? Okay. In some case we are using where keyword. In some case we are using let keyword. Okay. If you want to access particular block, that time you can use let keyword. But we are not going to discuss regarding this where keyword where we have to use, let keyword where we have to use. Client will give the project to you. Okay, client will give the project to you. So in that project they will give the cases where to use. I want to access the value within the block. Okay, within the block, like that if they will give means use let keyword. Okay, if I want to use the hosting value also, that means I want to print the value in the top of the value, top of the variable also, that time you can use var keyword. Okay, next I will tell you the hosting thing. Later I will discuss regarding that variable of hosting, and then what is that hosting means, and then what is the need of that variable hosting, what we can do with that, all this stuff I like. Okay, don't worry guys. Okay, don't worry. I'll teach all the stuff. First take down this. That example, sir. Example, this one. Yes, this is the example. Okay. Let me call enter the user name. Okay, it should be some output. Copy this. This is the example. Okay, example. Okay, here itself I have given that app.js code. Here itself I have given. You can take Venkatesh Kumar. Now I'll tell you how to concatenate the values and how to perform client-side JavaScript. Maybe we'll discuss more. Okay, we're having till half an hour, right? So in half an hour I'll conclude this. So today there will be Bootstrap class as well. Yeah, Pranav. So today Bootstrap class will be there and the CSS class will be also there. HTML. Okay, done now? Guys, done till here? Till here done? Okay. Only few people are answering. What about others? Everyone done? Yeah. I don't know what happened to that 100 people. Only 247 people are there. Yesterday I have seen the strength of 347 people. I don't know. Let it be. Okay. Okay, guys. How to concatenate the values? How to concatenate the values using JavaScript? Okay. Now we'll discuss regarding this. Where is that one? One more we have seen, right? Yeah. How to concatenate the value in CSS. Okay. What should I do? What should I do? Yeah. Okay. Let me give like this. Let me give like this. Where name equal to let me call Shira. Yes, Shira. And then where company equal to G spiders. Yeah. And then where designation. Yeah, designation equal to Java trainer. Yeah, Java trainer. Yeah, and then where city equal to Mandia. Okay, Mandia. Yeah, like this. Now I want to concatenate this value. I want to print the value in a browser. How to print the value, guys? How to print the value with the help of document. See, this is not only for myself. I want to view this for my user also. My client also. I want to view this output. Then how should I use this one? You have to use document.write. Now here my name is give some space. Let me add one plus. Then let me give some space. N plus call name plus like this some space. Okay, like now document.write. Yes, sir, why we won't use console.log? Because I want to view the output for my client also. That's why. Developer, as a developer, we can see, but as a user, how can he see? Example, you are using Flipkart. You are using Flipkart like this. Okay, we have made application. They have made application like this. But if a user, if this software developer has said that, hey, don't see output here, go and see the output in console part. Did user use this application? Did user use this application? If laptop, it is okay. But those who are using mobile, in mobile we are not having this console part. There, how should we use? There, how should we use? Now you understood. Console.log is for debugging purpose. As the developer, we can do. But how the client will see? Document.write, right? Document.write. We can easily print the output in a browser and we can easily see, right? Bharat understood? Bharat understood? Huh? Okay. And I work for Chase Spiders. Yeah, I work for Chase Spiders. Yeah, let me give some gap here. Plus now call company plus give some space here also. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Now document dot write my designation. Okay, designation. Then add one plus symbol. Yeah, same like your Java. How you are printing in console dot system dot out dot println. The same way you can concatenate the value. Okay, called delegation. Okay, designation plus yeah document dot write now call my city is plus space and space plus call 6. That's it. Now open with live server, guys. Open with live server. That's it. Here we'll be getting my name is Shishira. I work for JSpider. My designation will be Java trainer. My city is Mandya. But I want to print it in next line. So we can add one ln property here. Okay, we can add one ln. That's it. One ln property. That's it. Ln property will print the value in next line. Print the value in next line. So what happened? Why is this? This one also. Why? What happened? Right and then. Why it is not printing? Write one or more HTML by adding return to the. It's saved only, right? It is not. Document dot right and then my name called name. Okay. Then call document dot write and then let me call company launcher. Shirat is status. What is the problem here? it is not coming. Let me put the column here. What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem? Check with terminal. Okay, let me check with terminal. It is right. Okay, let me clear those. Clear. What is the problem? Clear. Note after things. It is coming. Document. Correct, right? Document spelling correct, right? Yeah, it is coming. It is problem. Oh, because of document, it will not be. Yeah. Sentence version for new launch. Document, document, dot. Now, this case interview, document, dot, right element. Maybe because of text only it will work, I think. Minus, and then document, dot, right element. This is my JS class. Class. Now let me check. What is the problem? Why it is not helping? Let me remove this one. Remove this one. That VLAN work. VLAN is not working. It's not working. Why it is not working? That's the problem. Okay. No. I don't know. Maybe about browser problem. Not working. Not working. Okay, guys, I'll discuss this one later with LN property. Why it is not working, I have to debug this one. So concatenation, you already know, right? The concatenation. Okay, with the help of BR tag we can do, but as of now I don't want that one. let it be. We'll do this. We'll do that one later. So concatenation, you understood, right? Concatenation with the help of plus symbol we can do. Okay, the help of plus symbol we can do like this. The name is, okay, like this we can do. Yeah, like this we can do. Okay, we can do like this. We can do like this. This is called as concatenation. Not this one. This one. This is the way we have to concatenate the value. Concatenate the value. Okay, concatenate the value. But using this document.write, this is not a good way. This is not the good way of writing the values. Okay, this is not a good way of writing the values. Okay. You want a good way, what? Good way is you have to call document. Okay, we have to use document document.body dot inner HTML equal to okay, this is the way. My name is then add one concatenation and name. That's it. This is the way I have to write. My name is Ishmira. This is the good way. Okay, this is the good way, and this will override the previous content. Okay, this will override the previous content. It will override the previous 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 content. Okay, this is the good standard to write. This is the good standard to print the value on body of web page. Okay, print the value of body on web page. This is also a concatenation way only, but this is the good standard. Okay, this is the good standard. Okay, example. Okay, that's it, guys. Take down this. Sir, is there any package present in JS? No, nothing like that. There will be lot of packages are there, but there is no other inbuilt packages are there. You have to use third module packages. Okay, you have to use third module packages. Like installing that one, you have to use. So which server you are using, sir? I'm using engine server. So we can write console.log and we get an output in console.log. Yeah, that is what Vinay. If you are using console.log means user. See, if the developer you can able to see the output, but as a user perspective, if user as a user perspective, we want to see the output means how can we see the output? For that purpose, we have to write it. Okay. That slash n, all those stuffs are outdated. So we have to, sir, we can concatenate name and company. Yeah, you can concatenate. Yeah, Ravinder, you can concatenate. With the help of this, we can concatenate. Okay, name and plus, you can call one plus my company, my company is space and then plus company. Call like this. That's it. My company and previously here also some space. Yeah. Now my company is JS. Yeah, and even from also. Yeah, now it is looking good. Okay, like this you can do. Like this you can do whatever you want. Understood? Understood. Now, if you want to add the CSS, you can add. If you want to add the CSS property, here you can add the CSS property without using any kind of CSS. You can use CSS property using JavaScript itself. Okay, using JavaScript itself, you can add the CSS document.write. Let me call like this h1 tag. Okay, h1 tag. I am a Munchstack developer. Yes, that's my Munchstack developer. Here, let me call one style attribute. Yeah, let me call one style attribute equal to. Let me give like this and call color red color like this. That's it. Red color. That's it. Save this. But I'm a Munchstack developer. Like this. Understood? This is the way we can add the CSS. Okay. Sheikh, I will tell you. There is one more way is there. I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay. Using template literals, we can do it. But as of now, I'm having 8 minutes. I can't explain the template literal way. Tomorrow, I'll explain. Okay. So please share your notes in WhatsApp. Okay, Saurabh. Okay. Now understood? This is what? Adding CSS without using any CSS. Without using client-side JavaScript. Tomorrow we'll discuss how to include CSS using JS. Okay, this is the example. Okay, this is the example. Okay, sure, Shaikh. I'll explain that the slider images in afternoon. Okay, I'll explain the slider image and then we'll discuss some animation property also. Okay, today we'll complete the form and tomorrow we'll start the project. Okay, that web technology project. Okay, guys, now you all understood this one. Whatever the things we have done. Okay, that's it for today. Any doubt, guys? Now you can ask any doubt. If you're having any doubt, you can ask regarding where, let, and then const keyword, and then concatenation. Any doubt? Okay, all clear? Huh? Good, guys.